Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and make another account on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply step into our video. So let's go ahead, open our Instagram. We go open our Instagram app and we are in the home screen. So I'm already logged in with my current account. If I go to my account setting, I will go back. I'll simply go ahead, tap on this add account option. If you want to create a new one, simply go ahead, tap on this create new account. Now what you're going to do is you're going to simply go ahead, choose a username as you would like, right? Simply go ahead, choose a username for you. Then you will tap on this next option and then you're going to create yourself a password. Then tap on this next option, go ahead, choose your contact number, or you want to connect it with the email, you can go ahead, do it. Tap on next and tap on complete sign up. And once you're done doing that, you will get this kind of, if you want your face position, you can go ahead, take it, or otherwise skip it. Skip. Just to show you guys, I'm gonna skip this one as well. And you can see I'm logged in with another account we just created right over here. So that is where you can simply go ahead, log into another account or create another account right there in Instagram. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.